Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 270 Limited 2.2 TDCI-E Tech Non-Runner engine needs repairs no cat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 159528. MOT, the 24th of August 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and want turnover. Engine has seized. This is my repair, or might be easier to stick another engine in it. Totally up to you. Definitely worth doing. Nice clean custom grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows.